Hello everyone! Today we're diving into a quirky German word, Schnuckel. Let's explore its meanings and usage with a few fun clips. In our first scene, someone makes a charming remark about a new mailman.
Ist ja echt ein Schnuckel, ne? Unser neuer Briefträger.
Here, Schnuckel is a playful compliment, suggesting the new mailman is quite attractive or endearing.
Ist ja echt ein Schnuckel, ne? Unser neuer Brief.
In this funny scenario, a grandma mistakes an ad for her adorable grandchild.
Das ist dein Cousin. Oh, das ist doch mal ein Schnuckelchen.
Oma, das ist Werbung.
Ah, schade. Ja,
Schnuckelchen here is an affectionate term, akin to darling in English.
Oh, das ist doch mal ein Schnuckelchen.
Oma, das ist Werbung.
Here, someone gets called a Schnuckel, but isn't quite sure about accepting the title.
Was ein Schnuckel?
Ich bin kein Schnuckel.
Again, denial of the title Schnuckel brings out the humor in rejecting a flattering yet overly cute label.
Was ein Schnuckel?
Ich bin kein Schnuckel.
Now that you've seen it in action, can you think of a time you would call someone or something a Schnuckel? Share in the comments.